Hello everyone, I'm Guru Rauka, currently work as a plant pathologist with the National Agricultural Research Institute. Today I'll be talking about the plant health concept. There is a project funded by CABI called the Plant-Wise Plus project, which was initiated in 2023. The whole focus of this project is on plant health. Plant health, as well as making access available for CABI digital resources and tools. The plant health concept is new to the country, and the focus is on the general health of plants. It not only covers insect, pests, and plant diseases, but it also covers nutrient deficiency impacts, as well as inappropriate application of chemicals such as herbicides and insecticides that may tend to harm the general health of the crop or the plant. NARI, in collaboration with NAKIA and CABI, have trained plant doctors in 2023 and 2024. So far there is over 40 plant doctors. These plant doctors are specialized officers in the fields of plant pathology, entomology, soil, nutrient, and agronomy. These plant doctors are purposely trained to conduct plant clinics. At the moment, the project has seen 10 plant clinics been conducted in Port Moresby and in East New Britain province, as well as in Goroka. Why do plant clinics? The whole purpose of plant clinics is to provide a service just like any other health clinics that are available, where in this case it's all about the health of the plants. The service is made available by the trained doctors, and it's an opportunity for growers or farmers to bring in plants that they have problems on. It is also an opportunity where the plant doctors get to evaluate and diagnose the problem and advise the growers of the problem and give them solutions to solve the problem. The plant clinics have been established in Port Moresby and East New Britain province, and in the future the project aims to establish plant clinics in Medan province, Morobe province, and the Highlands region provinces. So with this, plant clinics are established and plant doctors are available free of service. So it's an opportunity where farmers or growers of crops, ornamentals or flowers can bring in their produces, or if it's affected, for the plant doctors to have a look, diagnose, and give them the best solution. The whole purpose of plant clinics, or one of the main reasons of plant clinics, is to detect any problem at the early stages and for better management and control of the problem. So with this, there are plant clinics being conducted by NAKIA and NARI at suitable locations where farmers can bring their samples. In Port Moresby, it's at Goroka Market and at Gordon's Market. And in East New Britain, it's at Caravat Market and at Kokopo Market. So watch out for these plant clinics, and if you have any issues, most welcome to bring your plant issues along in the next plant clinic. Thank you and see you then.